Now you know how they say Jamaica is this bad place, right? Well, I'm going to take you on a street food journey where you'll meet some of the nicest street food vendors with the nicest flavors in Harbour View. Now, to you, the people that like the videos, leave motivating words, share your own stories, and most importantly, support the businesses and the people that work hard to show true Jamaican hospitality for little or no fame or admiration. I just really want to say to you, thank you.
Alright guys, welcome back to Second and All. I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. So today we're there, so with Sarah again. We show you guys this street food spot. Yo, today it's not as crowded as it normally used to be because it just rained not too long ago, so most of the stall them are there, but might be a good thing because we can try most of the things them without having too much of a crowd. So we're there beside of this Conch man, yeah? You ever eat from the Conch man before? No? You excited? Have you ever had Conch?
I have Conch soup.
Conch soup, that's basically it.
But I've never had it how he prepared it, so.
Yeah, like an interesting way how him do it still.
Yeah.
Oh, I got eat. You mentioned this place to me a while back.
Yeah.
What you normally eat out of so?
Well, there's a store that I normally go to get jerk chicken or just regular fried chicken.
Yeah.
And you used to have a hot dog stand. I don't see him out here tonight, maybe because of the rain.
I don't want no hot dogs. That's New York stuff.
No, but he actually does his a little different, you know. It's just a regular hot dog, man.
Okay.
But we can try something there.
It's a vibe. So you say you have some conchas, eh? Mm-hmm. How about this? So sit down and eat and thing? Yeah, man. What kind of, explain it to me. You have what, like a conch wrap or something like that?
Yeah, conch.
You want one?
Yeah.
Yeah, more one. Yeah, let me take one. Let me see how it tastes.
It's on the grill, you know, just want to get a little more eat.
Okay.
Yeah, you can try it, sir.
You can try it by yourself, man.
Try it, sir.
See, oh, you cook already?
Yeah, that cook already.
Yo,
They sure this cook?
hey, cook, man. Try it, man. Come on, man.
You can get it up. You can get it up. See him get it up, show him. Flick it with the park, clean it up, and see the clean it. Yeah. Like all the feel and all the things. Wow. Yeah.
Vibes that. So I'm gonna try this right now. I'm gonna tell them what I think about it. Alright, see you vibes as in. Is that conch? Conch you normally worry about how tender it be. That's a conch feel, but it's tender enough to eat. Yeah, I'm gonna take one of them. So what I do, you know, grill it up and thing and...
So this process is what? Just after like you want boil it or something?
Yeah, boil it.
Oh, okay.
But it tastes good. It tastes...
After a while, the taste kind of comes to me.
It tastes like crab. Like a very firm crab.
I might have to disagree, but okay.
You disagree?
Yeah.
Alright, so we go have some of this right now, show some support to them vendor yourself. You see me? Like I said, normally full of people, like normally like at least probably like 100 people, like 50, 80 people.
Cars would have been lined up all around.
But that just been like cars all the way down. But like I said, it rained. So probably some of the vendors them have never followed up. But every Friday and every Saturday right out of the roundabout, full. Thursday
to Saturday.
So I might do another day, come out here when it's packed and everything and do it. But for now, you see me? And the boss over here, so with I them at this in the
Yeah.
the foil.
Oh, yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, man. Real way.
Put on a tall pan.
So them should look different than the regular company I'm used to.
Let me a black cup.
Black
Put on
cup.
a tall jeans pants, a white t-shirt. And
This tastes better than the other one or?
I see the other one.
Tastes better than the other one or same flavor? Same flavor. So which point of kitchen, man? Out of sea, far out of sea or close? Close by. Vibes. So them are just boil, no salt, no seasoning, no nothing at the moment, you see me? But it tastes good.
Yeah, everything. I see what.
So sorry, just ask me while I get the pork man out there. So the last time when we did that last video, and I ended it with the whole pork scene and whatever, tried pork by him and it was pretty good, but not gonna lie. Out there, so you get a majority of stuff. You get conch, you get fried chicken, you get jerk chicken, you get itas too, you get conch soup, you get jerk pork, you get what else? You get oysters. There was just a bunch of stuff out here. It's ridiculous. This is probably the closest I've ever seen like a street food scene in a Jamaica where it's just like full of people and just have that like a variety of different foods. The cars them are coming in little by little, so as it pick up or whatever I'm gonna show you. But out here so it's like it's a staple for feeding a lot of Jamaicans. Probably after a party. Yeah. Can you imagine if Corona never that keep the full out here, so trust me, I tell you.
It before Corona, trust me.
Because one of them you've grown up around here to a certain point.
No, just a couple of years I live around here for, but you know, for the couple of years I've seen out here very, very, very fast.
Well, yeah. Them two are free?
Yeah.
So we're going to sit down over there, so police them forward because to out just a park. It's not even a park day. People park up on the curbside to get food. Have a kind of take with themselves. Curbside, isn't it? Yes, sir. Alright, so come there, so, and I must admit the customer service here so far has been great. They are not afraid of the camera. You see me, them willing to explain certain things and give you information, so you have to pick up the vendors them like that. So make sure you check out the stall anytime you're forward around here. So you guys might notice I'm not filming my camera because I don't want nobody feel awkward. So I want Sarah try that, and I see some seasoning and stuff.
For the oysters.
For the oysters? Oh, cool. You see me, so I'll show some support. So I'll pull this up on that. So again, shout out to Sarah for actually showing me this spot. I've passed here so many times going to the airport and never really, Yeah, it does look good.
Some like carrots in there too.
Carrots in there.
So like a taste now. It has a nice flavor, with all of this that's in there.
Yeah.
I think this is what, cabbage and carrots. It's actually nice, yeah.
Alright, so me I'll go try it. I actually like conch. I actually remember so I need to pay them people because I always try and make sure I pay from the get-go, but as again the customer service is great. Them say just eat, then you pay afterwards, and isn't it? You know that they have a seating out here, so you know. Alright, so bust our thing. If you guys didn't catch an octopus video, check it out, because again, like octopus come kind of intimidating in a way. In terms of tenderness, spot on. Some conch it hard to chew whatever. This make you know say it is conch, but it's tender,
Yeah, that's
and the flavor good. The flavor actually good. I actually like this. I've never had conch like this before. Normally they have like curry conch and then very strong flavored and stuff. But this carrot, probably some pumpkin, some Maggi probably. You know the best part? Enough conch in there.
Yeah, that's so true. Them not
this?
stingy.
But this is $400 for this. Not bad.
400, nice.
Good. Really good.
Yo, brother.
Wow.
They say nice.
Go down in it.
Go down.
And there's okra in it too.
Oh, nice.
Yo. Make sure you mix it up. Mix it up, you know, cause as we go down, yeah, see the flavor of them on this one? Rotted. Don't play with them. Yeah, man. Don't say it there.
This is actually really nice.
Everybody is sitting out here, because by the time
Yeah, but mix it
like
up.
the four man set up, a party.
As Steven said, it's very tender. No?
And we are say, yo, we leave.
9 out of 10. Customer service and everything, 10. Right.
The mushroom out here.
Alright, what kind of juice in the center have? You have Isa, Sponge, and Magnum? Yo. Give me one of them then. Let me try the. Which one you recommend? The Isa, Sponge, or the Magnum?
Ice spoon for you.
Watch it. The buns have more energy, but the Magnum have a little nicer taste.
Alright, give it Isa, Sponge, and Magnum. Right. From me and you are rolling a beer sex food, you know. You know, real Isa, Sponge, and short this. No, sir.
And they're cool still.
Eh?
And they're cool.
No matter. Vibes. How much of them are?
2 days up.
2 beers a pop. So me get the ice sponge? Explain your ice is in there?
Ice has peanut, Irish mash.
Oh, I didn't. What? That's an ice does peanut Irish mash in this.
Oats, peanut, mash and roots.
Oats, peanut mash and roots. So this will be the man them because the ice does make you shoot bullet. You see me? Yeah, man.
Yo,
Why you be try that?
I serve it with a Kaka Aston if you want that.
Kaka Hassan, I can't. I have too much energy. Alright, so we are going to shake it up. So like them say not too cold, but you see me? We always try to support the Jamaican them who are out there and do things, you understand? And support food culture. You like it?
Yes.
Really?
This is interesting.
So for the American them, you drop the US equivalent so you guys know like what the price is US wise, but this is, I would consider this really affordable food. It's affordable.
It's good to skip the KFC them and support, you know, things like
You know, talk to it. When you hear oyster sponge, and I head me kind of say, oh, Chano, oysters. But it tastes milky. It tastes the peanut them, same way. It's good. It's a vibe.
like a plantain porridge.
Yeah, like a plant porridge. Really. It have a very pastry porridge type of flat vibe. So, yeah. You see me, if it's a money, you're back week up and you carry the money in certain things. It's actually good. Like, no joke. Hers tastes better than mine.
Sweeter in it.
Hers is more, it's sweeter, more flavor, and even thicker.
Yeah.
This is a good one. Yeah, it's actually a good one.
This is actually nice to drink with the Conch too.
Vibe. Guys, I took it a while ago, but this was really good. It was really good. It tastes like a Jamaican dish completely. Scotch bonnet up in it, flavor up in it. It was a vibe. Initially I thought it was like a lot of cum, but like I said, but I realized that most of it is like seasoning and stuff. They can mix it up. Yeah, that way is like some industrial thing, right? No, up so. That way is where the mining, cement factory and stuff is. So you might hear some noise and stuff. But anyway, spot on this. If it was colder, would have been even better. But I'll carry it home and put it on the fridge. Now when I get that 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
That man is a vibe. Alright, so we've had, I think all we can have from this vendor. There is jerk chicken.
chicken is already.
Yeah, we already tried jerk chicken already, so pepper hot man. Bit into a raw one, so we go secular bill, complete bill. Just now was what, $1,200?
Yeah.
Which is somewhere about like $8 for 2 drinks, 2 dishes to try. That's not. So on the stall they realize them have jerk chicken same way over there run, but we don't want. We're gonna forward over this to which part the jerk pork there. So for confirm the price, this is actually 300 Jamaican dollars. I thought it was 2, but it's actually 300. Still a good price for the workings, isn't it?
This was actually the best thing for me. And I was strung up the back.
Vibes. So you must can say me make you try some new things still. Because you only fried chicken alone you come with this area. A joke is.
Sad, no?
So anyway, we're gonna make a next stop somewhere again for some. Yes, eat at the juice, but we do that now. I try to find something kind of interesting still. Jerk, that's good. Want the jerk pork?
Yeah, but we can leave that for last, you know. Save the best for last.
Say the best for last, yeah,
Okay,
facts.
try probably like a soup or ital soup, you know.
Try ital soup, is that vibe? Another pot of some rice and peas there, so. And I remember one other pot there. Yo, the man them out here at work, and as we said, on these days it's not as packed like normal, but yeah.
Put 2 breasts on the board now.
Things are a joke, better than mix the rice and peas and all that. Vibes. And as Sarah says, a female jerky that over there saying normally it's a male occupation. I've never seen a female jerking chicken.
True.
And probably even by and large in American culture is always the male and the barbecue grill or whatever the case is. So you know, it's good to see that she's over there coming there and I do the thing wicked. The vibe. Where is it?
So they actually have just a small cup just to test. Okay, you want the stew and the soup?
Yeah.
Yeah, so give me a stew and 1 soup.
So like we said, we just out there to try almost all the stars them. So that we want to eat. I already had festivals from them and I like those festivals, to be quite honest. And that's what I say I rate out here, so because most times the jerk man them on the road don't really do festival. It's normally like just a bread. Wrong, alright?
True.
Yeah, so the fact that them have the thing over there so running festival same way. That is a vibe.
But no would be the right time.
You know, like how long you guys have been out here?
How long?
Yeah. Years. Okay. So I think this is the stew.
The Conch stew.
Yeah. You know, let me use the spoon.
Curry coke, rice and beer.
Ooh, this hot. It's hot. Excuse.
The fried chicken is going already?
Sorry. So I was just in her station because over there so she did with her festival and thing. So the festival ready. She picks them up and bags them. Yeah. Anyway.
This reminds me of a Manish water.
Manish water?
Yeah. It has that flavor. I don't know if they use the same, you know, seasonings to prepare it, but
Manish water.
can can't really tell where the conch is, but I think this is peas. Not sure. No, I like this is okra. But this is definitely a stew. Based on all the things that they have in there too. Yeah. Definitely a stew. But it's nice. Can go on.
Which one do you prefer?
Soup.
Definitely prefer the soup as well. Had this stew. There's a kind of a citrusy kind of vibe, some kind of sourish in there. I can't quite explain it, and that's probably why I prefer the soup a bit more. But the stew is definitely thick, definitely rich, and I think you're getting everything that you definitely want to have. Yeah. So, a bunch of people over here waiting to get the orders in. Survive. So quick funny story. I had too much things in my hand just now, so I'm going back to the car, put down some stuff. I need you guys to really interact with me on this one, Zine. So while I saw a couple crossing the street, I'm taking in time because they want to come over here to get some street food. Don't know the vibes yet already. He was walking kind of slow and a car was passing. The guy in the car was just like, yo, now move too slow. This guy decides to use a classic Jamaican curse word or a curse phrase. It starts with S. If you guys know what me I talk about, drop it in the comment. It start with an S. So got some festivals, some good old festivals. I'm gonna try one as it's hot. Yo, you have to wait a bit to get your festivals in because people are here. And again, today is a very calm day. On a regular day, it would be 4 times, 5 times the amount of people that's out here right now. It's hot like wow. It's hot, but it's good. Still have nothing for Hellshot festival. Hellshot festival, ridiculous, but good.
Yeah,
Want to juice?
Yeah, water system fine too.
No, man, feel the weight.
Them have pumpkin, them have sorrel, them have jumbling.
Jumbling, passion pineapple.
Passion and pineapple.
I know
Passion pineapple. Water in the mouth. Yeah, I have that. With pineapple. Apple and pineapple. Feel it.
So, it's for $200 each of these.
Yeah.
And which one you get?
Apple pineapple. So that's also easy with the pineapple mix.
So the oat eat Jamaican apple with pineapple. The carrot one have milk in there, there's carrot.
No, man, I use milk.
Yeah, man, give me the carrot one.
Carrot and the stuff and something.
Yeah, same thing with me, carrot and something.
Give me who have a phone lights.
Oh, phone light, yeah, your phone light, Sarah? Give her a second.
Oh, no, cancel.
Yeah, thank you. What do you want? I'm not seeing the carrot with in there. June plum with jimbling, passion pineapple, sorrel.
Don't worry, carrot and pine.
No.
Passion pineapple. What a mango?
Where?
Passion pineapple, baby?
Yeah.
Give me your sorrel. It's a sorrel?
Yeah, sorrel.
Alright, thank you.
It's a passion pineapple.
That's she literally saying, she says, see the best for you last.
Yeah.
The pork. So, we end the last video with this pork, man, so we're going to feature the thing right now. Jerk pork, the blue pan. I'm not the pan, but yeah. Jerk pork with the blue pan right off of the front. So, we have it last time and it did wicked. Look at the pork. Alright, I don't want too much fat for mine this time. Eh? Yeah.
You know, somebody must ask you. Just if your husband is a soldier.
Someone was asking me.
Yeah, somebody must ask you if your husband is a soldier. Are your husband is? Seriously, someone must ask you.
She's like, she could do with a soldier man free, you know. I really talk. When you watch movie, I be a soldier people. Yeah man, I be a soldier movie you watch. Yeah? Yeah man. Funny Netflix. I like what you tell? Alright.
I'm a police, but that's something to ask you, you know. No, him say to me, say, I bet you say, when they ask her, she have something to do with soldier.
Yeah, soldier friend, but you know.
See what him say to me? $600 a quarter. Huh? $600 a quarter, my nephew.
600 a quarter.
Okay.
Really nice, rich.
What is it? No, I'm on them.
For me, just look up pepper, look at ketchup.
So how long you been out here for?
No, I mean, I'm a year now.
Oh, okay. Yeah, come and say, but notice, but never normally see you.
I don't want to see the pork out there.
Eh?
I don't want to see the pork out there.
Yeah.
They say, I'm the competition, and you run the course.
I get it.
See that?
Yeah?
It's tell you he's a woman and you live good life. Yeah, bless up in the general.
I know why.
Right. Guys, so we got the chance to shoot this video for you guys like close to curfew time. Like I need to run home right now. I'm gonna drop Sarah home, then head all the way back home as well. If you guys appreciate videos like this, you know, going out there, finding cool people who know cool spots to show to you guys that whatever you're in Jamaica you can try, just drop a like on the video. As I said, the airport is just somewhere over there, so if you get a night flight anytime back into Jamaica on a Thursday, Friday or Saturday, you can just make your people and stop you off right here, get some street food. I think anytime around maybe like what, 7 o'clock, 6, 7. Yo, the food out here is pretty good. Alright, so Sarah, I'll go try for your own right now. Yes?
I just said we left save the best for last. So
I'm not gonna lie, the pork man thing is the most appetizing looking. Especially for jerk, the color is right, texture is right. I've had it before and it is right. You see me?
So when you come out here, ask for Chef Dave.
Chef Dave?
Pork man.
May I just show the jerk pan. The jerk pan is blue, you can't miss it. Well, I like
Jerk is a brand, Fireside Jerk is a brand.
Okay. So you have Fireside jerk.
Yeah.
Chef Dave, you don't mind up on the camera and then see your face kind of, you know where you be.
Yeah, man. Me send you a pic. Me send you a pic and stuff.
Yeah. So no, if you have any mask, it's good, but them can know who is who. You understand? So this is Fireside, Dave.
Yeah.
Look on the pork. Any part of the pork you want. If you want a lean part, wicked. Bless up.
Yeah, man.
Bless up. Vibes. Alright, so you have a review. Tell me what you think. Before she even said nothing, Sarah said she leaving the best for last, and there's a reason for that. Tell her what you think about the pork.
Pork busting, man. Like,
Busting.
For me, the skin fatty part is the best part of any pork at all, but the flavor, you know, some parts should have been dry. This is moist. When you squeeze it, you can sort of see the what. Listen, guys, trust me.
Just moist.
But I leave the best for last. Just trust me.
I eat, man. It. And you went for a barbecue sauce.
You know, just to try
A difference.
something different aside from, you know, regular ketchup.
Yeah.
And in barbecue sauce actually tastes good too.
It tastes good. The man out here doing thing. I don't see another pork man because this one is the one that take over the spot. It's our vibes.
Pork man wants a natty.
What you say, Sarah?
Chef Dave wants a natty on him front line.
Hey. Alright, so the police them come to lock off the dance now. Yeah? Time to go.